Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I want to focus on these topics. First one is downloading and installing Java software. Second, downloading and install Eclipse IDE. Third one is downloading and installing Apache Maven. Fourth one is downloading and installing Apache Tomcat. Fifth one is setting the path variables. And last one is writing and executing sample programs. So let's focus on downloading all the software first, and we will try to install one by one. First, I am going to the browser and downloading Java 11. So I am going to the Oracle website. It is showing Java SC Development Kit. Downloading Windows JDK 11. So it is downloading JDK 11 software. So meanwhile, we can download Eclipse IDE. So let's go to the browser again. Type download Eclipse IDE for Windows 10. Go to official website of Eclipse and browse more downloads and click on Eclipse IDE 0.19. So it is downloading the Eclipse IDE as well. So let's download the Apache Maven 3.8.1. Go to browser again, Apache Maven 3.8.1. This is a official website of Apache Maven. So here binary zip archive, click on it. So it is downloading the Maven. So let's download Apache Tomcat 9.0.46. So let's go to the browser again and type Apache Tomcat 9. So go to the Apache Tomcat official website. It is showing a 9.0.46. Go to the Windows service installer, click on it. So it is going to download the service installer of Apache Tomcat 9. All the 4 softwares have been downloaded. So let's go to the softwares. So in these 4 softwares, we have to install first Java. So I'm installing Java. Click on yes. It's preparing to install. Click on next. I want to change the location of the installation. So I've already created a install softwares under C directory. I'm creating a folder called JDK 11.0.11. So I'm copying this path and pasting it here. Click on OK. Click on next. So it has taken couple of minutes to show the status. Please wait for a couple of minutes. So JDK has installed successfully. Click on close. So take the installation location of the JDK. Go to search bar, type env and go to system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Click on new under system variables. Enter Java _ home and paste the JDK installation location under variable value section and click on OK. And click on again OK. Again click on environment variables. Go to the path section and click on edit. Click on new. Click Java _ home /bin. Click on OK. Click on again OK. Click on OK. Install. Confirm that the JDK has installed successfully. So I got Java version 11.0.11. So I can confirm that the JDK has installed successfully. Go to softwares and install Eclipse now. Click on installation file of the Eclipse. Go to install softwares. Create a folder called Eclipse. So it has displayed multiple things. So I want to install Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. I am clicking on it. I want to change the location of the Eclipse. I am keeping Eclipse under install softwares and I am installing it. So wait for a couple of minutes, the installation progressing. So you can see installation completed successfully. Click on launch. So my Eclipse has opened. Let's go to the softwares. We have installed JDK and Eclipse. So let's install the Maven. Take the Maven and put it in the install softwares. Right click on it. It is a zip file. So right click on it and extract. So you can see that the Apache Maven has extracted. Take the path of it and go to search bar, type env, go to system environment variables and click on environment variables. Click on new, type variable name as Maven_home. Click on OK. Click on OK. Go to environment variables again. Click on new. Type m2_home and put the variable value as same Maven home directory. Click on OK and click on OK. Again click on environment variables. Go to path, edit. Click on new, _home /bin and click on again new Maven_home /bin. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on OK. So we have extracted Maven and set the path. Go to softwares again and install the last one, Tomcat. Click on Apache Tomcat 9.0.46. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. Server shutdown I am keeping 8787. In case you want to add Tomcat administrator login details, you can add it. It is an optional thing, but I am adding. So it is taking the JDK 11. So I want to keep my Tomcat inside C directory installed softwares. Install softwares. I am creating a folder called Tomcat 9. I am choosing Tomcat 9 here. Click on install. So uncheck this too and click on finish. Take the Tomcat home directory and type env system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Click on new. Type Tomcat_home as a variable name and paste the variable value as Tomcat home directory. Click on OK. Again click on home. Enter Catalina_home as a variable name and enter the value as Tomcat home directory. Click on OK. Go to path and click on edit. Click on new. Enter Tomcat_home /bin. Click on OK. Click on OK and click on again OK. So I have already set all the path. Go to Eclipse and configure Maven and Tomcat inside Eclipse. Go to Window, Preferences, go to Maven, go to Installation. So by default it has come up with a 3.6.3. So I want to add the installed Maven we have installed just now. Go to C directory, go to install softwares, take the Maven home directory and click on finish. Click the checkbox and click on apply and go to user settings and you can browse the Maven and conf. Click on settings and take the path of it and put it here. Click on apply. Yes. Click on apply and close. So you can go to Apache Maven, go to conf, open the settings in the notepad and in case you want to change the local repository location, take the local repository. By default it is pointing to user home.m2 repository location. I am creating a folder called a repository inside my Maven. I am taking this path and I am putting this path as a local repository location. I am saving the settings.xml file. I am closing it. Let's go to Window Preferences and you can see that the repository location has changed. Apply and close. So let's update the Tomcat installation location. Go to Window, go to Preferences, go to Server, go to Runtime Environment, click on Add. Select the Tomcat 9.0 Click on next. Browse the Tomcat installation directory which we have installed. Tomcat 9. Select the root directory and JRES JDK 11. Click on finish. Click on apply and close. So I have set the Maven, I have set the Tomcat to my Eclipse. So let's start the programming. So I have already created two Spring applications. I am importing them into the Eclipse. Go to import. Click on general. Click on existing projects into workspace. Click on next. Select the archive file. Click on browse. Select the archive. Click on open. Click on finish. So doing the same thing for other. So the applications are imported successfully into my workspace. I'm right clicking on the project, clicking on run as Maven clean. So clean is successful. Run as Maven install. So this is a annotation based one. Nothing great, but I'm displaying a JSP into the browser. So controller, I'm hitting a home page. Home page is returning the home page home.jsp. Initializer. This is a initializer for the application, okay, which is reading the app configuration. So you can't see the. So if you can't see the home page, nothing great. It is displaying a message and it's displaying the local date. So right clicking on the application run as, run on server. Select the Tomcat 9.0 server. Click on next. So your application is configured. Click on finish. So you can see the logs. And it is automatically opened the browser and it has shown the hello world string 4 with Java 11 Maven 3.8.1 and the time it has displayed. So this is how we can execute the program inside Eclipse. So this is with a configuration file. So this is with a XML configuration. Above is a annotation configuration. This is a XML based configuration. So web.xml we have. So inside the web.xml, dispatcher servlet is pointing and app config. Okay, servlet context.xml. Inside this we have a view resolver. Okay, and we have views and we have a controller here. So let's try to do the Maven clean. So try to do run as Maven install. So build is successful. Let's do the execution of the application. Run as Tomcat on run on server Tomcat 9.0. I'm removing the annotation. I'm only keeping the XML configuration. Finish. Okay. So it is initializing the application. So it went to in home. This is the first place. Click here. This is final page. So this is how we can able to install Java, Eclipse, Maven and Tomcat, and we can write the programs and we can execute the programs. Thanks guys. Please subscribe to my channel in case you like this video. Thank you.